Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will learn how to protect ourselves from text scams. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I received an email from Union Bank about how to protect yourself from text scams, no? So Union Bank, one of the popular banks here in the Philippines, sent me, no, because I subscribe in their website. Beware of text scams. Be alert. Scammers use various means to lure potential victims into giving out their personal information and account details. Here, how they do it. They send SMS with an urgent message asking you to click on a link. When the link will take you to a fake website. What may happen when you click on the fake website? Number one, you will be led to a fake website that will ask you to enter your personal and account information. Number two, unauthorized transaction will be happen on your account. Your credit card will be changed with varying amounts or your savings account will be depleted. Number three, malware and other viruses may be downloaded to your phone or computer. This will be expose your personal information including files stored in your device. So protect yourself by following these simple steps. Number one, scrutinized message. It should come from Union Bank, capital U and B, one word, which is the official SMS sender ID. Number two, inspect the URL or uniform resource locator. Do not click on any URLs coming from unknown sources. In addition, the following are the only legitimate links we will include in our official communication. unionbankph.com, online unionbankph.com, portal unionbankph.com, business unionbankph.com, and CS unionbankph.com. Monitor your account via UB online and immediately contact us. You should find any unauthorized transaction. So we have here the contact details in Manila, PLDT, international toll free, no? Scammers are targeting customers like you. So tips, never share your account details or personal information through email, SMS, or web links. Always double check the email address of the sender if should be from SS no reply at ubunionbankph.com or no reply at unionbankph.com. Download Union Bank online app to safety check your account profile and transactions. So thank you very much, no, Union Bank, no, for giving us this tip to beware of text scams, no. So I hope that you have learned something new in this video guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.